I blew my on-site because this thing ran out of batteries. But yeah, we were at Rock House. This was like, I don't know, 10 years ago at this point. We were just kind of being loud, obnoxious. We were not being good stewards. But there was a family there eating lunch.
You're being 10 years younger.
Yeah, we were being 10 years younger. That's a very fair way. I appreciate that. But the family ended up leaving with like half their food uneaten. So we.
Just because you guys were swearing?
Maybe. We were not only swearing, we were being gross.
Like kind of annoying,
yeah, but we took their food and ate it. Because they just left it there. It's like it's gonna go to waste anyway.
Like a half a burger. I was like, look at, watch this, dude. I was broke back then. I was like, I'm absolutely eating this food. I wanted was gonna be my breakfast and
That's a fun pocket. But yeah, you know, yeah. You grow up. Or you don't. I don't fucking know. I'm not your boss. Oh, that's so good. We got this business up here. Oh. All right, Matt, take. Yeah, that route was so good.